Hello, welcome back to the online class of Wudang Academy. 欢迎回到Wudang学院的线上课程。We are now into the third sequence of Gua Zhang. Here is the demonstration. The third sequence of Gua Zhang. Continuing from the end of the second sequence, we have the holding posture here, and so then we go to facing the center. Now pay attention. In this movement, the upper palm comes down, press down, and the left hand comes from above. Now we're standing in 虚步 again, empty stance. And then step, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the final step, turn to the other side. Now the palm cuts down and we're standing in 虚步. Then step and palm goes out. 1, again, 2. Then watch, we do open and the same leg step down. The other leg kick up. This movement is tanti here. The power goes through the toe. Foot goes down in this posture. The kick again here. Then step down, rotate. Now we are in 斜步. Look at the stepping again. Kick, step down, here. Then the right hand goes forward. 马步 cut. The following movement, 虚步 1, 2, and step down to 瀑布. Same finishing movement as before. Go out and the lower hand, make sure that the back side of the palm is facing up. Now step the foreleg of the 弓步 to center. Now the same movement on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 虚步 虚步 kick, step down. 马步. So same finishing movement. Step to center. That was the demonstration of the third sequence in Gua Zhang. By now you probably already see some patterns. There are similarities between different sequences. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next video.